think you can.
You can. It has
It's
to.
as hard as it gets. Oh,
What's poppin', Pez Racer?
Let me see that back.
Huh?
Let me see your back.
Yeah, here, take the phone.
take the phone, show the camera.
Oh, let's see the back now.
Damn. That is bad.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, Brody's still unloading the bike over here.
No one's gonna help him.
Yo, man. How are you looking? She's getting her dive like 6 or 9 PSI.
Too much.
What are these guys up to?
Oh, shit. Oh. Whoa, what is going on? Keep going. All the way up by our truck. Right next to the road. Fuck, it's hot. You got a what? Kevin, if you jump that jump, you gotta put on my phone.
Dope shit like that, Joe. Oh, hi.
Oh, no.
Follow your dreams.
He's getting on.
Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball. Mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flash white boy of the mall? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? The one to tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the Fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are. Top drawer. Yeah.
Here comes Mr. T.
Just a motherfucking kiss. Make money, fuck bitches. Yeah, Pittsburgh. Hey, John. Hey, these hoes is drunk. Wanna come and smoke this blunt? Then let me take them home and do anything I want. I said, baby, I can ride ya. Just let me get inside ya. I can take you higher if you hit this vaporizer. I got that dope dick, I be a supplier. You grabbing on my sheets and hitting notes like you Mariah. Obsessed with me, undress a freak on ecstasy. I'm out and then she texting me like, what you doing next week?
Let me know. I'm down on knees and praying, though my faith is weak. Without you, so please, baby, please give us a chance. Make amends and I will stand up to the end. A million times, a trillion more.
Hey, I just wanna inform y'all, I'm drunk as fuck. Most dope, bitch. Hey, what's up? I'm high as fuck, yeah. SUR. I graduated. Oh yeah, I just graduated high school. Ha-ha. Hey, homie. Don't be mad that your girl loves you. It's not my fault. I'm just doing me. If the girl love me, let her love me. You feel me? So baby, baby, don't cry.
I will fly. You by my side.